This time, give me any kind of animals that you can only see in the ocean.
Fish.
Louder.
Fish.
What kind of fish?
Fishbone.
Fishbone.
Shark.
Shark. Very good. How about you?
Crocodile.
Crocodile or saltwater crocodile. Zane, give me any kind of fish that you can see or animals that you can see in the ocean.
Shark.
Louder.
Shark.
Shark is already given. Aside from shark.
Baby shark.
Now, give me different kinds of animals that has 4 legs. Go.
Cow.
Cow.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Puro ka crocodile. ah. Crocodile. You, Zane.
Chicken.
Dalawa lang yung pangalan ng chicken eh. Aside from that.
Two chicken.
Now, aside from that.
Ducky.
Duggies. Pinglish-English ko rin nga nakaraan. Yung paano niya pa rin nga. Kaya sa kita niyo ko, wow. This time, give me different kinds of trees. Go.
Apple tree.
Apple tree. How about you, Zane?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Oh, last question, Zane. Ito ba yan? What is... Dapat yung mahirap. Since high school na siya, no? What's the English of lamok? What's the English of lamok?
Dede.
Dege. Nag-aaral na ba, Zane? Pa-transfer mo na, no? Alright, go back, Zane.